Good evening, everybody. We're going to be getting started here in just a few minutes. Let's give our guests a few minutes to get on. While we are waiting, we can drop in a chat where we are tuning in from and let me know if we can hear, if y'all can hear me loud and clear. Thank you. Yes, good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. You guys go ahead and text out your list, text out the group, let them know we are on and we are live. It is going to be a great evening tonight. We're going to hear about this wonderful opportunity that we have here with Novae. So I am super excited to present to you guys tonight. My name is Natasha B. Reed, and I am a serial entrepreneur, and I help individuals start, grow, and fund their businesses so that they can create the life that they desire. Tonight, we're going to be talking about some of the problems that our community faces when it comes down to credit, financing, business, startup funding, and business credit and business and personal funding. So tonight is going to be full of gems. So drop a line and let everybody know that we're on. What we're going to do now is take a look at our recap video from our Novae World, which is coming up this November, at the end of February 2026. If you have not gotten your ticket, I encourage you not to wait until the last minute. Just go ahead and get your ticket. You don't want to miss it.
And when you start believing within yourself that you're on the right path, with the right people, with the right company, and the right leadership, and you start believing in yourself, and you believe that you're gonna end up at the destination you want to arrive at, it's gonna make the journey so much more fulfilling. And that's what we're here for, to continue to give you that type of foundation. If this world were mine.
Welcome to the mistletoe. All righty then. All righty. Let me stop that video, you guys. All right, that was a recap of our Novae World 2025. Like I stated earlier, Novae World 2026 is coming up. If you have not gotten your ticket, that is an event that you do not want to miss. I promise you that. All right, we're going to be getting started here. For those of you that are just now joining us, my name is Natasha B. Reed. I am a serial entrepreneur, and I am a national consultant here in this great company of Novae. We're going to get started with our presentation. Just a moment. Let me get my screen ready. How's everybody doing out there? Y'all drop in the chat where you're tuning in from. All right, Pensacola, Florida in the building. Got Pensacola. All right, hopefully everybody can see my screen. We're not going to hold you here too long tonight. All righty, let's get this going. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here tonight. And thank you for your promptness and being on time. If you don't see your guests in the chat, go ahead and send out those final text messages. This is some information that we do not want our people to miss. So I want to go ahead and send that information out. We're going to talk about the reality of what's going on right here in our backyard, some of the major problems that we're having in our community, and then some of the solutions that Novae provides, right? And that we're going to provide you with the opportunity to be able to provide to your clients. So 1 in 3 consumers have a credit score lower than 669, which is fair, according to the FICO scoring system. And the average credit score in underserved communities is 45 points less than other demographics, right? And 50% of businesses fail within their first 5 years due mainly to the lack of access to capital, you guys. Access to capital. I know about this all too well firsthand. I have brick and mortar businesses, and when I tell you, if you don't have that rent money, the landlord is not trying to hear it. Capital is going to be the thing that's going to keep the doors open, right? You're going to have to pay that rent, and you're definitely going to have to pay that electric, and you're going to be able to pay your employees. You know that 2.5 million people seek debt help counseling each year to avoid bankruptcy, and only 39% of Americans, you guys, have the cash to pay for $1,000 emergency without having to borrow money. So if anything happens, they don't know what they're going to do. They just don't have $1,000 sitting around. But Novae has provided us with the solution. Novae is the credit and money company, you guys. It's a fintech company providing greater access to credit, capital, and entrepreneurship for underserved communities nationwide. The solutions that we provide are credit, money, which is credit building for business and personal clients, access to capital, which is the money, debt help, and entrepreneurship. We have been recognized in a direct selling association. We are accredited by the Better Business Bureau. We are members of the Georgia Chamber of Commerce and the National Small Business Association, you guys. Now that you've heard that we're a great company, let's talk about our leadership and who we're led by. Our founder, president, and CEO, Mr. Rico McCambry. These are just a few of his accolades, you guys. because he has so many. But he's the best-selling author of The Plan and the Fatherless Father and The FinTech is the Future, right? 4.0 GPA in one of the nation's top MBA programs. He was also selected to the number one business honor society in the world, Beta Gamma Sigma. Now, Mr. McCambry also is a Forbes Business Council member and Forbes.com industry expert, which means you guys that our leader, you guys, actually writes for Forbes magazine, right? He's actually led us to being in the Inc. 5000s list of fastest growing businesses for 5 years in a row, you guys. This is an amazing, amazing accomplishment under the leadership of Mr. Rico McCambry. So let's drop some fire for our founder and CEO, our mentor, Mr. Rico McCambry. Let's drop some fire in the chat for him, you guys, for this wonderful opportunity. Now, let's talk about solution number one, which is our credit help solution. Now, our first solution is My Novae Disputes Manager. This is a AI powered disputes manager. It's a do-it-yourself system. We call it our speedy solution. It's very easy for you to maintain, right? Easy to use, point and click software. You're going to mail out your own disputes. You're going to save money. Like I said, we call this our speedy solution. It's a one-time payment of $199 and it's $99 monthly, you guys. We've helped our clients remove child support, bankruptcies, evictions, repossessions, and a lot more, you guys. This software is amazing. It's AI powered, so it's not like the traditional form letters, dispute letters that you can find online. This is truly curated for your client's situation personally because it is AI powered directly to their credit report. Now, our next solution is our credit likes program. This is what we call our convenient solution. If you just don't have the time to do it yourself, the monthly disputes are going to be generated for you. There's a 3-month risk-free guarantee, so you get a full refund if you have no results, right? Disputes are mailed for you. That saves you time. So it's a one-time fee of $239 and it's $99 a month, you guys. So both options has the same monthly fee. It's just going to be the difference of whether you and AI want to take care of this process for yourself or if you want to use our convenient solution and our credit likes program, they will take care of that for you. Now, on the business end, we have our Novae Business Credit and Finance Suite. You guys, this is a game changer for businesses. With our business credit finance suite, you can separate your business credit from your personal credit, you guys. This is definitely going to change the game when it comes to you operating your business because, as you know, the more of your personal credit that you use, the more that they will limit you from using it. Once you go over a certain percentage, your debt to income is going to be an issue. Well, when it comes to business credit and separating the two, well, your business credit, they want you to use more and more business credit. You can have an unlimited amount of business credit. The more you use and the more you pay out, the more that they're going to give you, unlike your personal credit, right? So you're going to get business credit advisors that are going to walk you through each step. You're going to get 1 full year of the My Novae Disputes Manager above, you guys. So you're going to be able to take care of that personal credit at the same time. You're going to be able to structure your business for maximum funding. And guess what, you guys? Here is the kicker. There's a $50,000 guaranteed funding, right? So when you complete this program and you go through this program, that's $50,000 guaranteed to come your way. When I tell you that is less than the industry standard is about 10% of the funding amount. So to be able to get guaranteed funding of $50,000 at a one-time price of $24.95 is a game changer, you guys. You're actually saving $2,500 according to industry standards of the normal 10% that you would pay for $50,000 in funding. And guess what? It's not guaranteed. Now, all three of these options, they do include free credit monitoring plus online budgeting tools, monthly full three bureau, three score reports, utilization manager, identity theft protection, privacy scanner, and 1 million in fraud insurance. You guys, this is definitely a game changer for your business, right? For your business as the consumer and for your business as the agent that is going to be helping out the clients with this. Now, our next solution, our debt help solution, right? Do you have an overwhelming amount of personal or business debt, or do you know anybody that has an overwhelming amount of personal or business debt? Now, with the Novae Debt Help Program, we have a minimum unsecured debt amount of $10,000 to qualify for our program, one low monthly payment that's 50% lower than your current payments, and you can cut your total debt by up to 50%, you guys. Now, after 6 months, you can qualify to pay off all enrolled accounts. You can reestablish your credit rapidly by lowering debt and credit utilization, right? Credit utilization is everything, which means that, like we just talked about, you're using too much of the debt that they, of your credit that they have allotted you with your personal credit. Now, on the business end, we have the Novae Business Debt Help Program. You have the minimum debt of 15K. We're going to reduce those debt payments by up to 90%. Payment amounts reduced to 2% of what you owe. Short-term debt converted into long-term monthly payments. So if you're struggling with any of those MCA debts, those daily cash advances, we're going to be here to help. You're going to be able to get back to focusing on doing business, right? You're going to be able to finally achieve financial peace of mind and sleep better at night knowing that you're on the path to being debt free on a personal and a business level. That is a game changer. Drop some diamonds in the chat for that. Definitely a game changer. Now, our solution number three is going to be access to capital, right? So we provide personal loans, unsecured term loans up to 12 years, debt consolidation loans, auto and student loan refinancing, any large purchase up to $250,000, you guys. We're going to be able to help you secure that funding, right? You're going to be able to help secure that funding for your client. And now on the business funding end, we do startup business loans and credit lines, SBA and traditional term loans, commercial investor real estate loans, you guys. So even with the bigger companies, people that are trying to do real estate developments, they want to build compounds, we're going to be able to loan up to $100 million available to our clients, you guys. Listed below is some of the clients that we have been able to serve with our funding options. We have clients in the barber and automotive industry. There was a startup business, which means they didn't have any length of time in business. We were able to help them with over $300,000. We had another company that had been in business for 2 years, you guys, in the architectural design industry. And we were able to get them approved for over $100,000, you guys. So the amount of funding just determines on the individual and the industry that they're in. In the transportation industry, and they were a startup with a 785 credit score, you guys. This is very doable. We got them over $120,000, a brand new trucking company, right? We all know somebody that has a trucking company. That can definitely need the funding that we're able to provide. Now, we also offer our Novae financing program, right? It's the new way to get financing for your clients. It's a new way to provide financing. If you're a business owner like me that owns several brick and mortars, now I'm able to offer the Novae financing to my clients. I'm able to put up those signs that say, hey, now offering financing, buy here, pay later. We're able to get those options for our clients, and we're able to finance their deals $500 up to $250,000, you guys. So whether my clients are buying a print package or whether they're buying a Lamborghini, right? I'm going to be able to help them get the financing right there in-house through our financing program. We do soft pulls so it doesn't hurt the client's credit score, and it'll increase the sales of the business owner by 20 to 30%. You guys, it's definitely a game changer, has definitely changed my business, right? Now, we also offer government grants. Those of you that are looking for those free funds, right? That government money for your 501(c)(3) businesses. We have an award-winning grant search engine. It's like a Google-like search engine. You answer a few questions about your business, and it is going to populate any tax credits, government guaranteed loans, any type of community development loans, or anything that you qualify for based on the information that you put into the system. It's going to spit that information out for you, give you direct contact to the people that you need to contact to go ahead and get that process started. Right now, our solution number 4, you guys, is entrepreneurship. Go ahead and drop some fire in the chat if this has been good so far. Right, the access to the money and the capital. Now we're going to be able to help you maintain it, show you what to do with it. If this is some great information, go ahead and drop some fire in the chat for Novae. We're going to help you establish your business. We have free business registration. We offer business coaching through our partners, operating agreements. We do 1 year free domain for your website. We offer the do-it-yourself website builder and the online store. We're also going to offer you the support that's needed: tax preparation and bookkeeping, websites, logos, and branding, inspirational media, entrepreneurial payroll, and guess what, you guys? The high yield savings account. It is a game changer. With the high yield savings account, we're going to show you how to grow that money, exactly what to do with that money. You guys, you're going to get so much financial literacy being a part of this community, whether you are a customer or an agent. We offer the will and trust and estate plans. Leaving a legacy for my family is very important to me, right? So I established my trust through my Novae business. It was a game changer. I was able to set up my trust, add all of my assets into the trust, start my bank account, get everything established. We even offer life insurance, you guys, without you having to get a life insurance agency or a license, you guys. So join us in this opportunity. We have an affiliate program. We have our affiliate pro program. We have our co-branding program where you can brand yourself right along with Novae. And we also have our white label program where you can completely take Novae off of the face of the business. And we have our church program. Our founder and CEO is a preacher's kid, and so he's definitely not going to leave out the churches. We have a way where they can join us in business for free, right? So I know I sound a little biased about the program because I definitely love it so much, but we have real testimonials out there, you guys, real people with real results. All you have to do is just Google Novae Money Reviews. We have near perfect review scores, hundreds on all platforms, thousands on Facebook, right? We are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. So just go over to novaereviews.com, check out our reviews, and go ahead and leave a review for myself, Natasha Reed, if you're enjoying this presentation that I am presenting to you tonight. So not only do we have our results, we're actually our reviews. We have real results and real people, just like Miss Matrice Vaughn out of Illinois. She's a regional sales director, and as a single mom of 5, she was able to earn her President's Club recognition, get residual income, a car allowance, and have the time and freedom to spend invaluable moments with her mom in her final moments. You guys, it's truly been a blessing. Novae has truly been a blessing to her life, right? Mr. Wilford Rosario out of Virginia. He's a sales director and he has over 32 years of business ownership, and he's the owner of an insurance agency. And he still looked at Novae and saw it as how he could help his clients with additional financial services that Novae offered. It was a game changer for his business. And just like Mr. Earl Fambro, my upline, he's in North Carolina. He's a sales director. And when he became an affiliate, 6 months later, he became homeowner, right? Him and his beautiful wife, Nicole. Now they have a clear vision of their future, new relationships, and multiple streams of income to add to the program. Now, Dr. Keisha Palmer, located in Georgia, she's a regional sales director, and as a six-figure international real estate agent, Novae helped her provide resources to her aspiring homeowners, close more deals, and earn extra additional income to her already thriving business. Now, Mr. Jamal Flono in Georgia, he's a regional sales director, and after 7 months just from helping people, he was earning enough money to quit his job, improve his credit, and now he travels more than he did when he worked for the airlines. Now, Mrs. Simone Simmons out of Kentucky, she's a senior sales director, you guys. And before Novae, her business was destroying her personal credit. So now she has greater access to capital, extra streams of income, and she's able to help other entrepreneurs achieve the same success that she did with her Novae business in our business credit program. You guys, drop some diamonds in the chat for that great information and for those great people that have seen great success and results with our company, right? So, let's talk about affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is just a new era of entrepreneurship. Companies like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, they've been paying millions of dollars a year in commissions, right? For years they've been doing this. Now, instead of earning just a few cents to a few dollars per sale, Novae will pay you up to thousands of dollars per sale, you guys. Do you know at least 5 people that could benefit from any of these services that I just talked about? Anything that we just talked about. 5 people, you guys. If you know 5 people, go ahead and drop a five in the chat for me. If you know at least 5 people that can benefit from anything that I just spoke about, you can earn money by referring people to a website. It's just that simple, you guys. You can set your own hours. You can work from anywhere, and we get paid 10 ways, more than 10 ways, right? You can start as an affiliate and then become a consultant, right? This is how it works. So, as an affiliate membership, you're going to receive weekly retail commissions with just 5 credit customers. This is what happened, you guys. The 5 people that I asked you if you knew that could use any of those services. Well, when you get your first customer, you're going to make $100. Second customer, right down to that fifth person, that's going to be $500 for you. Once you get your fifth customer, you're going to make $500 and you're going to earn what we call five and free, which waives your monthly fee with just 5 credit customers, right? Now you have a free business, right? So you help 5 people improve their credit. Join us in a 700 club. You're going to make $500 every single time you do it. And every single month that you do it, you're going to have a free business. Game changer, you guys. None of my businesses doesn't have overhead, right? So let's talk about our affiliate membership. You're also going to receive monthly residual commissions, right? With the My Novate disputes customers. And so you're going to receive that $100 up front, but you're also going to receive $30 per month in residual, you guys, monthly residual commissions. So 5 customers with the upfront commission is $500, and that monthly commission is going to be $150 per month, you guys, just with 5 customers. You're going to repeat that cycle, 10 customers, 25 customers, all the way up, you guys, to unlimited amount of customers. But in example, if you had 100 customers, you would make an upfront commission of $10,000. You guys, $10,000 and $3,000 a month in residuals. That's every month coming into your account like clockwork in residual income for the customers that you already sold previously, right? Every month that they keep that business going, you're going to receive those residual incomes. Now, we also offer weekly retail commissions for debt help clients. You're going to receive $250 on average, $500 per business credit referral. If you get one of those business credit referrals a week, that's going to be $2,000, you guys, depending on what industry you're already in and the type of clients that you're already working with. You may already have a book of business with business clients, you guys, and you can add an additional stream of income with the clients that you already have, right? You don't even have to go out and find any new clients. Now, you're going to be earning up to $20,000 based on a $500,000 funding loan at a 4% funding rate. Now, that definitely depends on the amount of the funding for the client. But on average, your tax preparation client is going to be $100 to $150. And remember, that's on average, you guys. And our white label program pays out $3,000 per client. And then we have many more other fintech solutions so you can earn way more money than you are seeing on the screen here tonight, right? Now, with our Affiliate Pro program, you're going to be able to earn affiliate referral commissions and cabs, you guys. Earn income from each affiliate that you personally refer once they make a few sales. Plus, earn overrides when they refer affiliates that do the same thing, right? If you help somebody make money, you are going to make money, basically, is what they're saying, right? So, if you're a direct and you're an affiliate, you're going to make $100. And a consultant is going to make $250. You're going to be all the way have the opportunity to go to our Presidential Ambassadors Club, and you're going to get up to a $600 referral for each person that you bring into the business based on your rank. And then it goes down, right? So the people that you bring into the business, the income potential is unlimited. So when you help three affiliates get two customers, then help them do the same thing. So everybody that you introduce to this business and you teach them to duplicate what you've done, everybody brings three. And look at the income potential, you guys. Just look at the income potential. Your first month, you could be earning $350 depending on the way you move. But look at by month three, you guys. Your income potential could be up to $8,000 just by duplicating a system of everyone bringing in three and everyone duplicating that system, you guys. This is truly a game changer that Mr. McCamery has already had figured out for us. And now we have the residual income potential. Once you help the three affiliates and do the same thing, and then they get two customers, you guys are going to qualify up to $3,000 in monthly car and mortgage bonuses based on your rank, you guys, and based on the amount of people that you help in this business, right? So let's talk about our training platform. Now we have a complete learning system. You can learn at your own pace. We provide short videos and simple scripts. You can become a true professional, right? You can network and train with 6 and 7 figure earners, you guys, right? You know that saying that you're the sum of the amount of people that you hang around. So if you're hanging around 5 or 6 people, and those people are 6 and 7 figure earners, you're bound to be the next 6 and 7 figure earner. So you're going to get that opportunity to hang and network with those type of individuals. We have bilingual events, yacht parties, and lifestyle events like you just saw at the beginning of the presentation. We have leaderboard competitions, monthly cash prizes for likes and comments. We have quarterly online trainings with cash prizes, live customer service and support, so you can learn as you earn in this business, right? So, how do you get started? I know that's what you're waiting on. Tell us, Natasha, how do we get started? So, we have our affiliate basic program. It is going to be direct sales only, right? Which means that you're only going to make money off the efforts of yourself. It's $199 and it's $49 a month. You're going to get member discounts. You're going to get the cash back travel and shopping. You're going to get the website, ongoing financial education. You get the Novae learning platform. You get our live trainings, our marketing tools, our business credit trainings, and you get payouts up to $3,000 plus per customer. But like I stated, it's only for your personal sales, so you don't get any team overrides. Now, with our affiliate pro program, pro is the way to go. You guys drop pro in the chat if you believe that pro is the only way to go. Now, with our affiliate pro program, you are going to receive our credit software, team building, and more which means you get those overrides, right? 349 one-time payment, and it's $99 a month, you guys. But once you get your 5 credit customers, that $99 is waived. So you're not going to have to worry about that as long as you are working your business. Now, all you're going to get all the basic benefits plus my Novae credit monitoring, my Novae disputes. You're going to receive payouts up to $3,000 plus per customer. You're going to get up to $600 in qualified affiliate team overrides. You're going to get rank based monthly residual incomes, guys, and the luxury car and mortgage program. Drop some fire for pro. If you're going pro, drop pro and some fire in the chat. Pro is the way to go. Now, don't forget about that 5 and free. It's going to waive that month. Fee. And guess what? It's going to be a tax deduction because now you are a legitimate business. You're going to receive a 1099. The system is being set up that business owners are in a position to win, right? Now, Novae also cares. We have our Novae Cares program where we're supporting families and schools in underserved communities. We're having back to school drives, Thanksgiving giveaways, things of that nature, just to show our appreciation to the community and give back for the blessings that God has blessed us with, right? Now we come to a time, you guys, where it's time to make a decision, right? It's time to make a decision. And usually when we come to this time of the program, we're dealing with 3 types of people, right? So the first person, if you're number one, I want you to drop a number one in the chat and say, I am ready to get started. This person is ready to get started with one or more of these services with the affiliate program, or they're ready to get started with both. So drop a number one in the chat and say, I am ready to get started. Okay. And the person that invited you here is going to get back with you ASAP. Now, if you're number two, drop a number two in the chat and say, I am interested, but I have some questions, right? That's what that means. So just drop a number two in the chat, say, I'm interested. And the person that invited you here, they're going to answer your questions. They're going to get those things situated for you so that we can get you over to being a number one and get your new beginning started tonight. Now, if you're number three, drop a number three in the chat. We know that that means that you're not interested and you're satisfied with your current financial situation. You're not looking for anything more, but you will share the information. That means that you love this information. You definitely want to share it with your community. You want to see everybody winning like you're already winning. So you're willing to share this information on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. You're even willing to send out a text message. You drop a three in the chat and get back with the person that invited you here. Now, everybody that is here tonight, you're still going to be receiving your vacation certificate. So make sure that you reach back out to the person that invited you here and let them know what you loved about the information. Let them know what you're getting started with tonight, how you want to share this information, and how you want to be a part of our mission, you guys. We're on a mission, you guys. It's called Project 1000 in whatever city you're located in. We are doing Project 1000. We're on a race to create 1,000 people with 800 credit scores. So it's Project 1000 DFW, it's Project 1000 Pensacola, it's Project 1000 Brooklyn, it is Project 1000 Atlanta. We need 1,000 community members in every state, in every city to have 800 plus credit scores so that we can put over $800 million back into our communities, you guys. This has been a wonderful evening. Make sure that you take advantage of your vacation certificate. Thank you for being here. And let me be the first person to welcome you and to say congratulations and welcome to Novae and welcome to your new future and the financial future that you deserve. Once again, I am Natasha B. Reed. You guys have a wonderful evening.